fix the door handle that fell off.
Here we are in this beautiful 6.5 hectare estate, overlooking all the lush jungle here down to the rivers. Amazing sunset ocean views. They expand as far south as the Osa Peninsula, Canyu Island, all the way down the coastline. To the south as well, we have our famous Whale's Tail Sandbar. Beautiful whitewater coastal views right down to the Osa Peninsula. This is one of the most spectacular views in all of Playa Dominical. Amazing garden display. It brings you on a private pathway down here to the gazebo below and meditation area. Back onto the house, we have the master suite upstairs with its private balcony. Down below, another guest suite. Of course, the acreage of the jungle below here that bring all the lush animal life to the area. Here the river at the bottom. Reforested with a mix of fruit trees and hardwoods.